Here we have 387159 and something else at the back. It is a 8-car Electro Star on the 1148 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, calling at Reading and London Paddington from this point. So 387159 at the front. And at the rear, 387149. Fast train passing through Didcot Parkway. .021 on the 1456 GWR service to London Paddington, calling at Reading and London Paddington. 802021. And at the back, it is 802004. Fast train passing through 802101. And 800014 arriving to Didcot Parkway on the 1503 service to Oxford, calling only at Oxford. This is the service from London Paddington, calling at London, Paddington, Slough and Reading, now Didcot Parkway, then Oxford. Straight through platform 1. Coming in now is the 1511 service to Exeter St David's. This is 800011. GWR service Exeter St David's, calling at Swindon, Chippenham, Bath Spa, Bristol Temple Meads, and then stations down to Exeter St David's. That's 800019 with Johnny Johnson on the rear. And a train now leaving platform 5. It's 387153 at the front, off to London Paddington. Calling at Chelsea, Goring and Streatley, Pangbourne, Tilehurst, Reading, Twyford, Maidenhead, Slough and London Paddington. And there's also a bit at the back, obviously 387153 at the front, and at the rear we'll get the number very shortly. It is 387144. 387153, 387144. Didcot Parkway to London Paddington. Fast train coming through Didcot Parkway, platform 1 to Swansea. Fast train cross country, Manchester Piccadilly to Southampton Central. 221134. Coming in now is the 1527 arrival, 1530 departure from London Paddington to Great Malvern. It's a Great Western Railway IET, and we'll get the number of that as it slows in to platform number 3. This is the 1530 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. 802006. Only a 5-car. I say only, that's what it normally gets. The next station it will call at is Radley. 802006 1530 to Great mob. And a train for London Paddington has pulled in adjacent on the other platform, platform 4. We'll see the number of the fleet, a fleet number of that when it pulls away. Fast train through platform 2 to Paddington. And off goes the service from platform 4, heading to London Paddington. This, I believe, is a 15:30 departure as well. I don't think it's running late. 800017 GWR service to London Paddington, calling at Reading, Slough and London Paddington. Off that one goes. No, that one was actually the 15:08 from Oxford, running 22 minutes late. Now, just behind the fence and the signal, you'll see it very shortly. It's another cross-country service, of course, going from Southampton Central to Manchester Piccadilly in the reverse direction of the last one we saw. This one, of course, again, as no cross-country services serve Didcot Parkway, will be taking the avoiding line around. Going slower than I thought. There. 221-122. Cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly via Birmingham New Street. Another fast service passing through here, off to London Paddington. 10 car with 800 008 at the back, the Pride train.